Hello friends, in previous lecture we have discussed about the molecular orbital energy level diagram for beryllium molecule. Today's lecture we will discuss about the molecular orbital energy level diagram for boron molecule. Boron molecule is formed by combination of two boron atom. Okay, the boron molecule is formed by combination of two boron atom. We know that the boron having the electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2 and 2p1, that means total 5 electrons are present. We know that the 1s orbital having the lower in energy, so this orbital remains as non-bonding orbital. That means this electron does not participate for formation of bonding molecular orbital. It having the low energy, therefore it remains on non-bonding electron. Only the 2s orbital and 2p orbital are take part for combination to form the molecular orbital. Okay, that means there are two 2s orbital and total 6 2p orbital are involved for formation of boron molecule. That means total 8 atomic orbital is involved for formation of boron molecule. That means if 8 atomic orbital are participate for combination, that means it indicates that total 8 molecular orbital is formed. Which one that? Sigma 2s, sigma star 2s, pi 2py, pi 2pz, sigma 2px, pi star 2py, pi star 2pz, sigma star 2px orbital. That means total 8 molecular orbital are formed. Okay. In 2s orbital there is presence of the 2 electron. Both boron atom 1s orbital it having the total 2 electron. Then p orbital it having only 1 electron. Okay. P orbital it having 1 electron. We know that the bonding orbital having the less energy, so electron firstly goes to the bonding molecular orbital. If this orbital is fulfilled, then electron goes to the anti-bonding molecular orbital. Okay. Here 2s and 2p orbital it having the close energy. Therefore, there is sp interaction takes place because the 2s orbital and 2p orbital having the close energy. Therefore, for formation of boron molecule, there is interaction between the s orbital and p orbital takes place. Therefore, this interaction is shown by this dotted line. Okay. The 2s orbital, both orbital are fulfilled. Therefore, firstly electron goes to the bonding molecular orbital. Then 2 electron goes to the anti-bonding molecular orbital. Okay. Then 2p orbital. There are total 2 electron are present in 2p orbital. First electron goes to the pi 2py orbital and second electron goes to the pi 2pz orbital. Okay. From this molecular orbital energy level diagram, firstly we know the electron configuration of this boron molecule. Electron configuration of boron molecule. Okay. The letter K is written because the 1s orbital it becomes a non-bonding. Therefore, there is total 2 boron atom are involved. Therefore, K letter is repeated. K. Then sigma 2s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2 and pi 2py and pi 2pz. Pi 2pz orbital both are having the 1 electron. This is electron configuration of boron molecule. Okay. The next point is the stabilization energy. From this molecular orbital energy level diagram, we have to calculate the stabilization energy. Stabilization energy from boron molecule is stabilization energy of boron molecule is that the number of electron present in bonding molecular orbital. 2 plus 2, 4 electron are present in bonding molecular orbital multiplied by minus beta plus number of electron present in the antibonding molecular orbital is 2 into plus beta. That means stabilization energy of boron molecule is minus 2 beta. Okay. The next point is the bond order. Bond order. We know that the formula for bond order is that 1 by 2 number of electron present in bonding molecular orbital into number of electron present in antibonding molecular orbital. 1 by 2 into how many electron are present in bonding molecular orbital is 4 and antibonding it having the 2 electron. That means the bond order of boron at molecule is 2. Okay. In this case, the bond order of boron atom is 1 and stabilization energy is minus 2 beta. It indicates that boron molecule is exist in vapor state. The boron molecule is paramagnetic in nature because in pi2py and pi2pz orbital there is only one electron are present. Therefore, this is paramagnetic molecule. Okay. The bond length of boron molecule is 1.59 angstrom. This is the bond length. Bond length of boron molecule is 1.59 angstrom. This is the molecular orbital energy level diagram for boron molecule. Thank you.